Hello everybody. Evaluate the integral x over square root of 9x squared plus 16 dx. I'm going to do this problem with the substitution that we don't normally use when we do the problem. Normally when we see this, we want to use this for the substitution. X is equal to a tan theta. So when we do that, we get 3x is equal to 4 tan theta. But instead I'm going to use this one, because I want to show people that you don't have to use this one. There's other ones you can use. That would be x is equal to a cotangent theta. So if I do that, you get 3x is equal to a, which is 4 cotangent theta. So now solve for x. X is equal to 4 over 3 cotangent theta, and d theta. I'm going to shrink it down. Okay. One plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Similarly, 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to, cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. Only difference now is, oh, by the way, I forgot to make this negative right here. So make sure to put a negative sign right here. Negative 4, 3. Alright, and then, so if we plug that in to above, this is what we have. Integral of 4 over 3 cotangent theta, and then dx is negative 4 over 3, and then you have cosecant squared theta d theta. And then for the denominator, plug in x. Looks like we're going to have 9, and then we're going to have 16 over 9 cotangent squared theta plus 16. 9 and 9 will cancel. If you have 16, we can factor that out, and we'll get 4 out front. And then you have cotangent squared theta plus 1. So we already know that's going to be equal to just secant squared theta. Alright, so negative 16 over 9. On the top part, we have cotangent theta and cosecant squared theta d theta. And then if the denominator is the square root of cotangent squared theta plus 1, that turns into, first of all, that's cosecant squared theta, and then to the square root of that is just cosecant. So that'll cancel with one of these, and this will go away. So now we just have negative 16 over 9, and then the integral of cotangent theta and cosecant theta d theta, and the integral of that is, we have negative 16 over 9, and then this is another trig formula. It's negative cosecant. We already have a negative, so I'll turn it into a positive, and then we just have cosecant theta plus c And then if we draw our triangle, I'll draw the triangle here. That means theta is right here. And this is 3x, this is 4, and this is the square root of 9x squared plus 16. So for us to do cosecant, that's the inverse of sine. Sine's opposite over hypotenuse. That means we're going to do hypotenuse over opposite. So this will be, let me slide down a tiny bit. I'm going to create room here, right about here. Okay. So that means the answer is 16 over 9, square root of 9x squared plus 16 over sine opposite 3x, 16 over 27. Let me make sure that looks right. 16 over 9 cosecant sine opposite minus over opposite. Okay, 16 over, that means the final answer is okay, 16 over 27, and then square root of 9x squared plus 16 plus c. That's all I have for you guys. Have a good day.